Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, December 11, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. I want to thank you all for tuning in. All right, today we're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see the futures are trading sharply lower. We are down about 14.5 points right now to 2034.5 per contract. Futures really started to tumble, I'm going to say right around 3:30 in the morning, and you could see here even around 5 o'clock in the morning, futures really started to roll over in a big way. So markets are down really across the board this morning. Again, we are looking forward to the highly anticipated Federal Reserve announcement on Wednesday, but you can see we are selling into every session right now. So again, looks like the Fed will raise rates. We just had some economic data out at 8:30, and it looks like so far right now, from what we could tell, the Fed looks like a green light to raise rates, and that is hurting the markets for the most part. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news because that's where the money is to be made. ADBE, which is Adobe Systems, you're going to see this is trading sharply higher. The stock closed yesterday at $88.96. It is trading at $93.75. Adobe's been a very, very strong stock, but it does need to get to get above $93.50 on an hourly chart close. If it can get above $93.50 on an hourly chart close, this stock should have further upside to go. But that's going to be a tall order, tough task. Watch this one. We'll be watching it in the intraday stock chat room. We'll let you know everything that we're seeing. We'll show you how we're going to play it. Next up, I want to take a look at FNSR, which is Finisar. This stock is having a good day today. Closed at $11.64. It is now trading at $13.10. It is a little bit overbought here, but what I did a little calculation, I'm seeing resistance around $13.75. So if it does get up there, really trail the stop around $13.75 tightly. Other than that, trail the stop anyway. But either way, good little move for Finisar today so far. Next one on my list is going to be Restoration Hardware. That is ticker symbol RH. And you can see here, let me get that up there. That stock is getting hit a little bit today. Closed at $87.59. It is trading at $85.50. I don't have any levels for this one right off the bat, but it is on my radar today. So we will be watching Restoration Hardware once the opening bell rings. And once again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. We had another banner day yesterday. I'm going to look to keep that going today. Next up, we're going to take a look at Norfolk Southern. NSC is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $89.57. Closed at $87.69. So this is up a little bit from yesterday's close. I don't know the news here. I'm assuming it has something to do with a failed merger attempt. But either way, I am seeing some strength here. Also, look at CSX Corp. That is also trading a little bit higher this morning. Railroad stocks have been beaten down as of late. But these two are getting a little bit of a bid this morning, so we'll keep our eyes peeled, and we'll see what the market's telling us there. Let's take a look at Corning. GLW is a ticker symbol here. The stock right now is trading at $19.25. I don't know the news for Corning, but I will say this much. The stock is having a great reaction. It closed at $17.69. Right now it is trading all the way up at $19.25. That's a fantastic move. So I'm not really sure what's moving it or pushing it. But anyway you slice it, Corning, which is ticker symbol GLW, really having a pretty stellar move here. And again, we got to respect the chart. Level I'm looking at right now for resistance would be around 20.25 to 20.5. And then after that, I see a big resistance level a little bit higher. So I'm going to try to have some levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room for Corning. But nonetheless, good little move, good reaction on the stock. Right now, watch for initial resistance, probably anywhere from 20.25 to 20.50. And then I'll have some other levels that we will scalp in the intraday stock chat room. Okay. Next, I'm looking at BHP Billiton. This here is a metal and mining name, beaten down today. And again, all the metal and mining names are lower. If you take a look at Rio Tinto, which is another metal and mining giant, that closed at $29.90. That is trading at $29.20. So again, all of the metal and mining names are lower today. So we got to be a little bit careful here. Markets, for the most part, are a little bit lower before the opening bell. And it should create good trading opportunities, though. So again, Fridays can be a little bit slow as the volume gets lighter around the lunch hour, but we should have some good volatility out here, some good action, and we'll see how it plays out. Gold futures trading down $4.90 right now to 1067. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a gold ETF, you're going to see that is actually trading up to around the 102.36 level. But again, gold futures have come off the lows, and that has given a lift in the GLD. And then you have crude oil futures trading down about 47 cents. Take a look at the USO today. You're going to see that's trading at around $11.30. So crude oil remains under pressure right now. Spot crude is trading around 36 and a quarter per barrel. So oil remains under pressure. Again, there'll be short-term bounces, but I still don't see overall strength in oil. All right, with that being said, everybody, if you want to trade alongside of us, again, we had another good day yesterday. We're going to look to keep that going today. And come over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chats right on our website, InTheMoneyStocks.com. And again, you'll see everything that we're doing there. You get to see our desktop. And it's been a fabulous, fabulous 2015. We're going to look to keep that going today. With that being said, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.